Chapter 3. Structure. Section 3-1. Organization of the maintenance section. A. The digital maintenance SOP contains a chart that depicts the battalion maintenance structure. Click the link in the description to download the SOP to review any images and charts. The following paragraphs describe that chart. B. Support Operations, SPO, Maintenance Section. B1. Under the direction of the SPO officer, the SPO Maintenance Section is the management center for all subordinate maintenance activities. B2. This section oversees the overall maintenance picture of the battalion. In conjunction with the battalion as for Mechanical Maintenance Management NCO, the Maintenance Control Sergeant oversees execution of technical inspections, monitors maintenance actions, and coordinates for external support for subordinate units. The SPO Maintenance Section manages TAM's functions and provides maintenance management information to the Expeditionary Sustainment Command, ESC, as necessary. If maintenance sections exceed either capability or capacity, this section can request backup maintenance support through the 82nd Division Support Maintenance Company. The SPO Maintenance Section controls alert and extended dispatching functions for battalion organic equipment. See Section 4-2. B3. Repair cycle time is expedited, and maintenance is simplified by leveraging diagnostics and prognostics technology to identify major component failures and then replace the components. B4. The SPO Maintenance Section ERPS clerk is the senior clerk in the battalion and assists subordinate level clerks in accomplishing their daily duties. Each subordinate unit is assigned an ERPS clerk. Subordinate units. C. Maintenance Section. C1. Units with an organic maintenance section are assigned personnel to provide field-level scheduled and unscheduled maintenance support for all automotive, ground support equipment, communications electronic, and Class 9 repair parts support. This section assists field maintenance teams with backup maintenance support and is responsible for training and supervising all operator and crew maintenance actions during the scheduled maintenance period. Each maintenance section consists of the appropriate number of qualified mechanics who are responsible for the proper use and care of special tools required to perform maintenance. The motor sergeant manages workflow following processes outlined in this SOP. All anticipated and accomplished work is captured using appropriate, automated actions in GCSS Army. Maintenance sections receive battalion priorities from the Mechanical Maintenance Management NCO. C2. ERPS clerks provide logistics information systems, lists, support for all maintenance actions. Clerks primarily focus on managing SLOCs, Class 9 repair parts, dispatching, and work order processing. C3. Subordinate maintenance activities will establish and maintain a company maintenance SOP to address unit-specific procedures not outlined in this SOP. D. Recovery Section. D1. Units with an organic recovery section are assigned personnel and equipment to provide lift capabilities for repair shops, recovery of organic vehicles and/or equipment, and recovery to supported units, limited welding capability, and support of maintenance evacuation. To maximize the effectiveness of recovery assets, units will employ self-recovery and light vehicle recovery techniques as the first option. If the unit is unable to perform the recovery mission, recovery support is requested through the SPO. Recovery teams are dispatched to perform recovery operations at the breakdown site. D2. When not actively engaged in recovery operations, the recovery section contributes to scheduled and unscheduled maintenance and repairs. E. Field Maintenance Teams, FMT. Primary mission is to provide field-level maintenance support to organizational, unit-owned equipment. The FMTs provide automotive, ground support equipment maintenance, and Class 9 repair parts support to the respective organization. Maintenance teams are authorized necessary tools to complete field-level maintenance on assigned equipment. FMTs report to their respective maintenance section motor sergeant. Subordinate unit MTO analysis. F. Whiskey Charlie 7, Mike Alpha Alpha, 25th Quartermaster Company, 25QM, is a field feeding company with the internal capability to conduct administrative, maintenance and recovery, record functions to organizational equipment. This unit has no pacing, ERC-P, items. F1. The field feeding company has a maintenance section consisting of the following. 1 Motor Sergeant, Grade E7, MOS 91 X-Ray 4. 1 Senior Mechanic, Grade E6, MOS 91 Bravo 3. 1 Equipment Records, Parts Sergeant, Grade E5, MOS 92 Alpha 2. 2 Recovery Vehicle Operators, Grade E4, MOS 91 Bravo 1 with Hotel 8 ASI. 1 Tactical Power Generation Specialist, Grade E4, MOS 91 Delta 1. 3 Wheeled Vehicle Mechanics, Grades E4 to E3, MOS 91 Bravo 1. F2. The C-Burn section has 1 C-Burn Specialist, Grade E4, MOS 74 Delta 1. G. Whiskey Charlie Charlie, 5 Alpha Alpha, 959th Quartermaster Detachment, 959 QM, is a theater petroleum lab with the internal capability to conduct administrative functions on organizational equipment, but there is no organic maintenance or recovery and record personnel. This unit will deactivate in the next 12 to 24 months. This unit has no pacing, ERC-P, items. H. Whiskey Delta Alpha, Victor Alpha Alpha, 647th Quartermaster Company, 647 QM, is the Airborne Corps Aerial Delivery Company, with the internal capability to conduct maintenance on equipment and aerial delivery equipment, but there are no organic recovery, record personnel. This unit has no pacing, ERC-P, items. H1. The company headquarters has a maintenance section consisting of the following. 1 Motor Sergeant, Grade E6, MOS 91 Bravo 3. 1 Wheeled Vehicle Mechanic, Grade E5, MOS 91 Bravo 2. 1 Equipment Records, Parts Sergeant, Grade E5, MOS 92 Alpha 2. 1 Construction Equipment Repairer, Grade E4, MOS 91 Lima 1. And 3 Wheeled Vehicle Mechanics, Grades E4 to E3, MOS 91 Bravo 1. H2. The C-Burn section has 1 C-Burn Specialist, Grade E4, MOS 74 Delta 1. I. Whiskey Delta Hotel, Delta Alpha Alpha, 127th Quartermaster Company, 127 QM, is a water support company with the internal capability to conduct administrative, maintenance and recovery, record functions to organizational equipment. Each water support platoon is assigned a maintenance team for maintenance support. This unit has 42 pacing, ERC-P, items, consisting of 3 tactical water purification system, TWIPs, 32,000-gallon hippos, 6 reverse osmosis water purification units, ROPU, and 3 water storage, distribution sets. I1. The maintenance control section consists of the following. 1 Motor Sergeant, Grade E7, MOS 91 X-Ray 4. 1 Equipment Records, Parts Sergeant, Grade E5, MOS 92 Alpha 2. 1 Recovery Vehicle Operator, Grade E4, MOS 91 Bravo 1, with a Hotel 8 ASI. 1 Utilities Equipment Repairer, Grade E4, MOS 91 Charlie 1. 1 Tactical Power Generation Specialist, Grade E4, MOS 91 Delta 1. 1 Equipment Records, Parts Specialist, Grade E4, MOS 92 Alpha 1. And 1 Petroleum Supply Specialist, Grade E3, MOS 92 Fox 1. I2. Each of the 3 water support platoons has a field maintenance team consisting of the following. 1 Wheeled Vehicle Mechanic, Grade E5, MOS 91 Bravo 2. 1 Quartermaster, Chemical Equipment Repairer, Grade E5, MOS 91 Juliet 2. 2 Wheeled Vehicle Mechanics, Grades E4 to E3, MOS 91 Bravo 1. 1 Quartermaster, Chemical Equipment Repairer, Grade E3, MOS 91 Juliet 1. And 1 Construction Equipment Repairer, Grade E4, MOS 91 Lima 1. J. Whiskey Delta Mike, Charlie Alpha Alpha, Headquarters Company, 264th Combat Sustainment Support Battalion, HHC, 264 CSSB, provides mission command of attached units to the CSSB, with an organizational support operations, SPO, cell, and the internal capability to conduct administrative and maintenance, but there are no organic recovery or record personnel. The S4 section also retains the Senior Enlisted Mechanical Maintenance Management NCO for the battalion. This unit has no pacing, ERC-P, items. J1. The S4 has Mechanical Maintenance Management NCO, Grade E8, MOS 91 Zulu 5. J2. The SPO section consists of the following. 1 Support Operations Officer, Grade 04, AOC 90 Alpha. 1 Automotive Maintenance Warrant Officer, Grade W3, WOMOS 915 Alpha. 1 Maintenance Control Sergeant, Grade E7, MOS 91 X-Ray 4. And 1 Materiel Management NCO, Grade E7, MOS 92 Alpha 4. J3. The company headquarters has a field maintenance team, consisting of the following. 1 Motor Sergeant, Grade E6, MOS 91 Bravo 3. 1 Wheeled Vehicle Mechanic, Grade E5, MOS 91 Bravo 2. 1 Equipment Records, Parts Sergeant, Grade E5, MOS 92 Alpha 2. 1 Wheeled Vehicle Mechanic, Grade E4, MOS 91 Bravo 1. 1 Utilities Equipment Repairer, Grade E4, MOS 91 Charlie 1. 1 Tactical Power Generation Specialist, Grade E4, MOS 91 Delta 1. And 1 Petroleum Supply Specialist, Grade E4, MOS 92 Fox 1. J4. The C-Burn section has 1 C-Burn Specialist, Grade E4, MOS 74 Delta 1. K. Whiskey Echo Tango, 2 Alpha Alpha, 8th Ordnance Company, 8OD, is a modular ammo ordnance company with the internal capability to conduct administrative, maintenance and recovery, wrecker functions to organizational equipment. The ammunition platoon has a small maintenance team to support organizational equipment. This unit has 12 pacing, ERC-P, items, 3 Standard Army Ammunition System Modernization, SAS Mod, computer systems, 3 rough terrain container handlers, Wretch, Colmer, RT-240, and 9 all-terrain lifter Army System, Atlas, 10,000-pound rough terrain forklifts. K1. The company headquarters consists of the following. 1 Motor Sergeant, Grade E7, MOS 91 X-Ray 4. 1 Senior Mechanic, Grade E6, MOS 91 Bravo 3, with a Hotel 8 ASI. 1 Recovery Vehicle Operator, Grade E5, MOS 91 Bravo 2, with a Hotel 8 ASI. 1 Equipment Records, Parts Sergeant, Grade E5, MOS 92 Alpha 2. 1 Utilities Equipment Repairer, Grade E4, MOS 91 Charlie 1. And 1 Tactical Power Generation Specialist, Grade E4, MOS 91 Delta 1. K2. The C-Burn section has 1 C-Burn NCO, Grade E6, MOS 74 Delta 3. K3. Each of the 3 ammunition platoons has a field maintenance team consisting of the following. 1 Wheeled Vehicle Mechanic, Grade E5, MOS 91 Bravo 2. 1 Wheeled Vehicle Mechanic, Grade E4, MOS 91 Bravo 1, with a Romeo 5 ASI. And 1 Wheeled Vehicle Mechanic, Grade E3, MOS 91 Bravo 1.